There's something better in my head. Two different meanings to the words that you said. I guess I see the good and the messed up. Well, guess what? I ain't tripping no more, no. Keep it in the distance for sure. So why the hell I'm singing about this, oh no.
What is up, everybody? It's your boy Geek of Sneakers, back with another video. If you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We are doing a giveaway at 5K where I'm giving away two $150 gift cards to two separate winners to any retail store of your choosing. After you subscribe, make sure to hit the notification bell, be notified every time I post a new video. Join the notification gang. Make sure to like the video if you guys enjoyed it, and make sure to follow me on Twitter and IG at geekofsneak_. Today we have a little bit of a sneaker haul from Goat. We have 4 sneaker pickups and 3 out of the 4 I'm not keeping for myself, as I am trying to keep them until prices go up so I can try to resell in the future. But the final shoe I'm going to show you guys I am keeping for myself. First shoe we have are the Jordan 1 Royal Toes. I really regret not getting them for retail while I could, because at the time I wasn't thinking about reselling. And I'm trying to cut back on the amount of shoes I cop a year and only cop what I feel like I need in the collection rather than buying what I want in my collection. The colorway is super dope, I absolutely love it, but I didn't feel like I needed it in the collection. I was tempted, but I decided to pass. Fortunately, I was able to find a pair on Goat for a decent price, and I feel like the shoe within 1 to 2 years could be around $400 to $450, as it does have a similar look to the Fragments. And for the people that don't want to spend thousands on the frags, these could be a great alternative. The Royal Toes are also a shoe that's going to be very easy to pick out an outfit for, since it has colors that a lot of people wear. Plus, it does have a similar color blocking to the Bread Toes. The Bread Toes at one point were going for around $300 to $350, but now they're going for around $700. But on to the actual shoe, we got hints of black, white, and blue. The Nike check is in black with the leather behind it in white. The white leather is a little bit tumbled on mine. Some pairs have the flat grained leather, and then some pairs have a little bit of wrinkledness to it. It just depends on what pair you get. The toe box is in blue with the flat grained leather, nothing too special. The blue part on the top of the shoe, my pair is grained leather, but I have seen a few pairs where it's actually tumbled. Again, it depends on what pair you were fortunate in getting. The Air Jordan logo is in white with the outline in black. We got a white midsole and blue bottoms. The Nike Air tag is actually in tumbled leather, a really nice addition to the shoe, and usually there would be text on the back of the tag, but instead we just got the tumbled leather with no text. They come with extra blue laces in a bag, and there is Nike branding on the insole. Here's what the shoe trees look like, and something I haven't seen personally until more recent releases is that on the inside it says die cut sock liner. But yeah, like I said, I love the colorway. I wish I could keep them in the collection. Second, we have the Jordan 1 Pine Green 2.0s. I've never seen in person until now the type of quality that Jordan brand has been putting on, you know, some of the Jordan 1s ever since the shattered backboards with the tumbled leather toe box, and just a lot more tumbled leather quality with the ones like the shattered backboards, the Royals, the Breads, the Bread Toes. To see it in person with the Pine Green 2.0s is actually pretty cool and really adds to the look and quality of the shoe. I personally like the original Pine Greens better, but I still think the 2.0s are a good colorway. We got a very Celtic-like colorway with the black, green, and white. On the side of the shoe, the Nike check is in green with the tumbled leather. The black behind it is also a little wrinkled. The toe box also has green tumbled leather. The back of the shoe is mostly green with some black. The Nike Air tag is the same material as the Royal Toes, and I forgot to mention with these and the Royal Toes, the Nike Air logo is indented into the leather, and it has a little bit of a glossy finish. Only difference is the Nike Air on this tag is in red. We got Nike Air branding on the insoles too. The midsole is in white with the bottoms in green, and they come with extra red laces if you want to replace the black. The Jordan Air logo is actually a tumbled leather patch that was stitched onto the shoe, and the one thing that I kept hearing that a lot of people didn't like about the shoe is how the patch isn't all black, or that there was even a patch in the first place. But personally, I really like the patch. I think it's something different, and it gives the shoe a unique look. If I was keeping them, I don't really have too much clothing in my closet that has green on it. I think it would be worth it to buy extra clothing for the shoes just to match them, because it does seem like a shoe that could really bring out your outfit. Third is the Jordan 3 UNC. Obviously, this colorway was inspired by the UNC Jordan 3 PE, as it's basically the same exact colorway, just without the UNC logo on the tongue. I really want to mention and talk about how Jordan brand went back to the OG and put all of the fabric behind the tongue instead of having part of it show on top. They've been doing this with recent Jordan 3 releases, along with even lowering the elephant print cut. The uppers are made up of tumbled leather, with the top part of the tongue in the smooth leather. We got the Jumpman logo in the UNC blue color. On the back of the tongue, one shoe says heart and another one says soul. Then down the tongue and on the side of the shoe, we have perforated leather. The elephant print is in light gray, with the lines in a dark gray or charcoal color. The midsole is in UNC blue and with white air bubbles. The top 3 eyelets are also in UNC blue, with the smaller ones on the bottom in navy blue. The back of the shoe has the Jumpman Air logo with the pull tab on top. We have a red insole with a stitch tab that says Team Jordan on the left, and then on the right it says quality products inspired by the greatest basketball player ever. And the bottoms are in light gray, UNC blue, navy blue, and white. It unfortunately didn't come with any accessories. I really miss when the Jordan 3s used to come with a hang tag and a retro card, but it is what it is. I just really love the OG feel of the shoe, and this colorway really fits the OG look. Last but not least, the shoe that I'm gonna be keeping in the collection is the New Balance 327 in the Pride colorway. When I got these in person, I was really impressed with the colorway and the quality. These might be in my top 5 favorite shoes in my collection right now. But I don't want to talk too much about the shoes as I am gonna be doing a review on them. It actually might be the next video that I post, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But that's all my pickups. Let me know what you guys think. A little update, I will be starting summer semester classes this week. I'm recording this on a Tuesday, so in a few days on Thursday, I have my first day of classes. I have been a little bit more active on the channel lately, and I want to keep it that way and try to post at very least 2 videos a week for you guys. Thank you all for tuning into the video. I really appreciate it. And if you have made it to this part of the video, y'all already know the drill. Make sure to spam the geek emoji in the comment section. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell. Again, make sure to like the video if you guys enjoyed it, and make sure to follow me on Twitter and IG at geekofsneak_. Hope you guys keep rocking with your boy. It's been your boy Harry, aka Geek of Sneakers, aka Geek of Sneaks, aka Geek, aka GOS. Hope you all have a great day. I'm out.